Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at our 1971 Minico Ramjet Minibike. So without further ado, let's get to it. This minibike here was my dad's last winter project. We got it off of a guy on Craigslist who was selling it as a rusted out piece of junk. Long story short, it just needed a good bath, carb cleaning, and we had to clean the points. After that, it was good to go. Thankfully, it's basically a complete bike. No parts were missing, and all of the paint is original. The bike is driven by a 100cc two-stroke Robin engine that makes about 4 horsepower. It came stock with buddy pegs, but hauling double would be very cramped in my opinion. We did have to get the fenders, air filter cover, and chain guard re-chromed as they were pretty much beyond saving. But other than that, the bike has had no major issues. Even the seat is original. This mini bike doesn't have a battery, so the headlight and tail light just run off the magneto. That 4 horsepower engine can get you up to about 30 miles per hour, and the full suspension provides a comfier ride than most of the cheap Chinese pipe frame mini bikes you'll find at your local Harbor Freight. Overall, it's a fun little bike, and by the looks of it, they're pretty rare. I've yet to see another one go up for sale in the year that we've had ours, and there isn't a ton of info on the internet about them. I know this video has been less tech and more mech than usual, so let me know what you guys thought down in the comments section below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you'd like to see what I make next. I'll see you guys next time.